At this point, we're going to dry fit our side assemblies together again, this time making sure that the dowel location does line up good and that there are no other issues. And everything is looking good so far. Now, I had previously measured my distance from my seat side rail to the armrest at 6.5 inches. I'm going to be installing 2 blocks that are exactly identical, 6.5 inches, and clamp those in place. These blocks will serve as spacers for the next process. And we'll add an additional clamp. What we're trying to do is hold everything in place perfectly so it won't move. And our goal is to add a series of clamps so that everything lines up perfectly and nothing's going to move on us. I'm then going to flip it around and add an additional clamp on the curved portion of the armrest. And what I'm trying to do is force the opposite side down against the workbench so it is perfectly flush. So our joining pieces, the armrest and our rear leg, should be nice and tight. We also want to be perfectly flush against the table. With this assembly dry fit and with clamps, everything is connected together as it should, and there are no issues.